Hello and welcome to our video on consumer behavior. In this video, we will explore the psychology behind why consumers behave the way they do when making purchasing decisions. Understanding consumer behavior is crucial for businesses in order to effectively market their products or services. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior refers to the actions and decision-making processes of individuals or groups of people when they buy goods or services for their use. It involves a combination of internal and external factors that influence a consumer's choices. These factors can range from personal preferences and beliefs to social and cultural influences. One of the key factors that influence consumer behavior is motivation. Motivation refers to the needs and desires that drive individuals to take action. Whether it's the desire for comfort, status, or a specific functionality, understanding what motivates consumers can help businesses tailor their products or marketing strategies to meet those needs. Another important factor is perception. Consumers perceive products and brands based on their own beliefs, attitudes, and experiences. This perception can greatly impact their purchasing decisions. For example, if a consumer perceives a brand to be of high quality and reliable, they are more likely to purchase products from that brand. Social influences also play a significant role in consumer behavior. People are often influenced by their friends, family members, or even celebrities when making purchasing decisions. This is known as social proof, where individuals are more likely to follow the actions or recommendations of others. Marketers often leverage this by using testimonials or endorsements from influencers to drive consumer behavior. Lastly, we have situational factors. These are the circumstances or environment in which consumers find themselves when making purchasing decisions. Factors such as the time of day, location, or even weather can influence consumer behavior. For example, a consumer is more likely to purchase a cold beverage on a hot summer day. In conclusion, consumer behavior is driven by a mixture of internal and external factors such as motivation, perception, social influences, and situational factors. By understanding these factors, businesses can design effective marketing strategies that resonate with their target consumers. Remember, successful businesses not only provide great products or services, but also understand and connect with their customers on a deep level.